This is Chaparral that came in that wouldn't have a stable idle. The starter was underwater. It had come from another shop. It keeps on going. Water in the oil. So right now, we have it so it'll hold a steady idle. The gasket underneath the carburetor, as we guessed, was not good. There's the milky stuff that's in the engine. It's about 2.5, 3/4 overfull. Instead of changing the oil and doing that, we're going to go ahead and suck the oil out down to the level it's supposed to be. Let the owner take it back out and run it and see if the oil grows. If the oil grows, we got internal cracks. If it doesn't grow any, then when he comes back, we'll go ahead and change the oil. And it's going to take changing it 2 or 3 times to get the water out of it. So I hate to spend that much effort right this moment if we don't know much about what else is going on. And make sure it runs now, since it's amazing what happens when you put the right gasket on the bottom. And this is this motor and this boat are both Frankenstein, because that's not the carburetor that came on it. The front of the engine has, this is not the motor that came in the boat. The front of the engine has vortec parts, non-vortec parts. You can't set the timing because you got the wrong timing cover on it. So we set the timing by ear, and we're pretty good at it. That's probably where it's supposed to be. Close dipstick one more time. Let's see what it's looking like right now. Yeah, it's hard to tell, but we're going to go ahead and suck it down to the level it's supposed to be, and then send them back out and see what this project is.